Hello friends and welcome back to Full Stack with Santosh. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you what VS Code extensions I use. So let's get into it. So I'm primarily a Golang developer. So I'll be showing what I use for Golang. So uh, most of my profiles are same except that they have different language. This thing installed extension. So yeah, let's see what I have. So here I have very minimal extensions installed. So this is Gruvbox theme. Here you can see color theme, and here I have Gruvbox basically. So yeah, that's that. And this I have Golang extension. Once you install this, it will ask you to install the community toolchain they have. So that's very good to have. And yeah, after that, it makes the Golang development very easy. So those two was the easy one to explain. Then the major thing I have is remote SSH. So these comes together. If you install one, another one comes with it. So why I like this extension is because I can have my VS Code installed on this device, and then I can connect to another device. Say for example, this one. I don't know if this will connect right now, but yeah, like this host was my Amazon EC2. I think it has some firewall thing installed. So you got the idea. Like I can't live without this extension. So we covered these four. And GitLens. How GitLens is helpful? Suppose you are checked in into a what do we call it, repository. First thing you can see here is it will show you the branch name, so you can be sure which branch you are on. Then other thing which I like about this extension is once you click on the end of any line, it will show who made the last change. So this is also helpful to find who is the culprit. uh with some integration you can also open the last commit on GitLab. So here it is. One other thing I like is this is host.go, and if I want to check how what was the last change, how it looked on the last change, like what was the last change on it, you have to git log lib to be host.go, something like this. Then you can check out to those specific commits. But with GitLens, it is as simple as doing this. So it will open a diff editor and will show what changes it has. You can go even more back. Where is it? Yeah, I don't know, there was a button, but right now it's gone. So you can keep going to the previous change. It will keep showing you. Similarly, you can go to the next change. And this is very helpful to in my use case, to know what changes were made to that specific file, who made, if I'm working on a file, I want to see who changed them. So yeah, it's helpful in that. And there are many features that I haven't explored, and I plan to revisit these points. But yeah, that was it. And the next one is GitHub Copilot. So I have a subscription for this one, and it really helps. Sometimes it kind of gets inside your mind and understands what you're thinking. So yeah, like I would recommend this if you can afford it for development, because I work remotely and yeah, I need a pair programmer to with me. So this one is very helpful. So that was it, and I hope you liked this video. If you did so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.